Hi, it's Ellen here from Sherwood Hyundai. Come take a walk around this 2004 Santa Fe with me. Up front here you can see projection style headlights, fog lights. It is equipped with a block heater, and under the hood is a V6 3.5 liter engine. It has 16-inch rimmed Nokian tires. Lots of tread left on those. This SUV comes with a remote. It's got your lock, unlock, your trunk, and of course command start. Let's make our way inside. On the driver's door, you'll see that it's got power windows, doors, and mirrors. The driver can easily adjust his seat for comfort with his left hand. This is an all-leather interior. Now that we're inside, let's start this SUV up. On the odometer, you can see that you've got a reading of 186,728 kilometers. Let's make our way back to the left-hand side of the steering wheel. This is where you can set both on the left and right your cruise control. Let's make our way into the middle of the vehicle. Here you've got your hazard lights and your defog. A little bit lower, it comes with the standard AM/FM radio along with the CD. Making our way a little bit lower, you've got your climate control area where you can adjust your heat, as well as you've got your defog there. Cigarette lighter, got your little ashtray if you're a smoker. This is an automatic. Here we've got heated seats for you, which is a very nice feature on this age of a model. And in your glove compartment, lots of room for storage. Up at the ceiling here, you can turn your interior lights on both sides. There is a spot for your sunglasses. This particular vehicle has a sunroof that you can open up on the back for a little bit of fresh air, or you can open the entire sunroof if you want to have a lot more fresh air. Let's make our way into the back. As I indicated, it's an all-leather interior. Little armrest. Document holders behind the front seats, plus an ashtray in the middle. Let's make our way into the trunk. Lots of extra storage for groceries. Also has a sun visor. You can pull and hide all your stuff. Need a cheap SUV to get around town? Come down to Sherwood Hyundai and take this 2004 Santa Fe for a test drive. If you have any questions, I'm sure our sales consultants can give you a hand.